Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Beautyforever Hair for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this wig, y'all. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It came pre-cut, pre-plucked. It's glueless. I curled it up real quick with my wand. And she just looks stunning. She's stunning. She's everything. She's 24 inches. It's a 6 by 4.75, I believe. So 6 this way, 4.75 this way, and it like goes in like this. So anyway, but I'll show you guys all that details when we get into it. But if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right there so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this wig video. All right, you guys, we're working with Beautyforever. First, you're gonna get some wig caps, an edge wrap, and this goes on the parting on your wig. If you want to use it, it just sticks on there like a sticker, and it's supposed to act like scalp. You get a little baggie with another edge wrap, some lashes, a makeup brush, and then some more HD wig caps. Then we have the wig. It just says it's Body Wave and it's 24 inches. That's really all it says on here, but let's open it up. Here is this beautiful number. Oh, she looks so good and luxe. Oh, she got a nice little bounce to her. Yeah, she's fire. Okay, so let's get into the lace. The lace is definitely pre-plucked. That looks amazing. Absolutely stunning. This is a 6 by 4.75, so it goes 6 inches across here, and then it comes in inside to 4.75. So you still get a lot of parting space, and the cap is a breathable cap. So as you can see, it has all these holes in it. You can see the wefts, so your scalp will be able to breathe very nicely. You have 3 combs and a elastic band, and then the rest of the wig has like the little grip strips on there that expand with the wig too and adjust to your head. So yes, it should be a nice, comfortable fit. Nice and comfy. But yes, this lace is definitely, oh, it's pre-plucked and pre-cut, so I should be able to just put this baby right on here, but I think I'm gonna glue it down today. I'm definitely gonna glue it down. So it is a Body Wave. It's 24 inches, y'all. It feels really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and install this and style it up a little bit, and then I'll come back at the end and tell you guys my final thoughts. done. I curled the hair and just brushed it out. I used my little pink wand here. Let me turn it off, actually. Turn that off. It laid really nicely. The lace looks really good. I had to lift it up though, so it's not even like, it's not sitting. It's not sitting anymore. It's giving glueless right now. But yeah, I had to lift it up because I needed to push my my wig cap back. I had it too far forward. But it's still looking good though. It's still looking good. And if you want it to lay flatter, all you have to do is put your little, just put your edge wrap on for like another 20 minutes or so, and she'll be absolutely good. But no, the lace looks really good. It is definitely a melter. I didn't have to pluck the lace at all. I just put a little foundation powder on the edges. I just used my foundation brush and just used like the extra that was on the brush and just like powdered it on there. The hair curls very, very nicely. I used a big curler and just brushed them out because I wanted those like basic curls, you know, and I think they look very, very good. Okay, I'm not sure the density on this hair either. I'm not sure what it is, but it is definitely giving full, so don't you worry about that. But look in the description box for the density on this wig. Okay, the hair looks beautiful. I love it. Let me show you guys the back real quick. That is the back of the wig. The wig just looks gorgeous. As you can see, it's like it's a showstopper. Like, don't you worry. Don't you worry. She's definitely gonna grab some attention. Definitely gonna grab some attention. It's the fact that I didn't have to pluck this, and it came like just so perfectly plucked. Okay, this hairline is giving everything. This part came like this. I didn't even put no foundation or anything on the parting. All I have is my wig cap underneath. That's it. It is just flawless. Okay, absolutely flawless. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you so much, Beautyforever Hair, for sending me over this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Highly recommend. Ladies, make sure you guys check this out. Also, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.